Hey, and welcome to Wednesday. Today is going to be an introduction to our next unit that starts next week. So for the warm-up, when we think of China, what comes to mind? Or how is China shown on TV or in movies? So once again, that is your warm-up, and then you move on to the activity for the day. So you're going to open up this assignment in Kami, pray that it works. You're going to fill out the graphic organizer and bubble charts on page 1. And then you're going to complete the map activity on page 2 and make sure that you submit as always. So once you got that opened up, this is what the front looks like. You're doing bubble charts about China, protests, Twitter, and NBA. So where this line's going out, you add a text box. And then you write what you know. And then for the next part, you have the ability to make more lines and add more things that you know. So there is not a limit, but I know that you guys all know at least something about each category. So try to think of 2 to 3 things each. From there, you move down to your mapping part, which is page 2. And as you can see from the directions, use Google Maps to label the following places in China. So you label these 5 cities, just put a little dot. Maybe if one is the capital, you could put a little star. And then make sure you add totals to your map, everything but scale. You really can't have the scale, so don't worry about that. But everything else you can include, and then as always, make sure you submit your assignment.